What's up everyone? My name is Shaelyn and on this channel everything's alright. So handy today. I feel like I haven't done like a dedicated how-to hemiplegia episode in months, I think. I'm trying to think of the last one, I honestly can't, but welcome to another episode in my series, How to Hemiplegia. I got a comment somewhere. I'm gonna have to look for it. I don't know where it is, but I'll put it on the screen. Somebody asking me to do a video of how I hang clothes and fold like bath towels. So that's exactly what I'm gonna freaking do. If you guys have any other suggestions or requests for what to make videos about how I do things, I do a lot of things on my TikTok account. I'll put my handle on the screen. It's just at HemiShay for hemiplegia or hemiplegic Shay. Let me know, and this is exhibit A of me taking your requests seriously and putting them out for you as soon as I possibly can. So I hope you enjoyed the video, but let's jump right in. So first things first, if you don't know, I have hemiplegia, which means that my left arm is paralyzed. It doesn't necessarily mean left all the time. It could be somebody's right arm, but for me personally, it is my left arm. So it's hard for me to do everyday quote unquote normal tasks. So that's why I'm here to show you guys how to do them with one hand. So I'm gonna start off with the bottoms first because there's only two that I can demonstrate because it applies to all of them. So yeah, let's start with just a normal pair of jean pants. So what I do is, like, if I'm not hanging it up by like a pants hanger, I'm just putting it on a normal hanger so that it kind of like hangs on the bottom. You know what I mean? I go ahead and I fold them first, so I'll do just that. Sometimes I use my mouth, sometimes I use my chin. I can show both ways. So my mouth would look like this. It's a little more difficult when you're standing up, but I usually fold my clothes when I'm like sitting on the ground or have a countertop or something. So once I have them folded like this and I have more room to do another fold, I grab the hanger. When you have the hanger, I'm gonna kind of put my arm through the big hole like this, kind of, and then I'm gonna grab the top of the pants and feed it through like this. Oh. There. And I kind of use my chin, or I'll use my mouth to bite the hook part so that I can kind of get more leverage. But yeah, that's kind of how I would fold pants on a hanger like this. So next, I'm gonna show you the actual like pants hanger that has like the little clips, or sometimes they have the like more complicated ones, which I can do. It is more difficult, but if you can get your hands on the kind of hanger that has the clips like this, it's so much easier, saves so much time. So I recommend these more. I have a pair of shorts. So what I would do with these is, I honestly would just skip my chin altogether for this one. I would just use my teeth, but just so it makes it easier. But I would grab the corner of the pants and bite it, and then grab the hanger and clip it. I'll show you. Just like that. Switch to the other side, bite this side, and clip it on. Just like that. Now we can move on to the shirts, jackets, sweaters, that whole situation. Start off with this jacket. Normally with a jacket, I really get my hand at the top shoulder, kind of at the top of the sleeve. I bite like the seam right at the top of the shoulder, right here. And you just put the hanger in the sleeve, and then you bite it with, or use your chin with the hanger on it to hold it in place. And then kind of hold the other side of the jacket on it. With a big loose jacket like this, it's gonna wanna fall off, so you gotta be like pretty fast and careful at the same time. But yeah, something like that. There you go. So next, let's do another jacket. I guess you guys can just kind of watch this one because I just explained it, but I need to hang this one up too. And now I have 3 different types of tops that I'll show you. First one is just like a crew neck sweater. This could apply to a hoodie, any type of sweater, but I just wanted to grab this crew neck. So I'm gonna grab, kind of like the jacket, I'm gonna grab right on the inside at the top of the collar, get my fingers inside, grab the hanger, and kind of feed it through until it gets into the sleeve a little bit, and then bite it again, or use your neck if you want to. And then stretch over the other side. Just like that. Okay, next I have a t-shirt, which this is my husband's t-shirt. I wanted to get all dark colors because I accidentally put a lip product on my lips, and I don't want to get makeup on a light colored clothing item. So this is very similar to the crew neck. You want to just like get a space open at the collar, like leading into the sleeve type thing. So honestly, if you just hold it with your teeth and then feed the hanger in, that does the same thing. There you go. It's really straightforward and easy. I genuinely feel kind of silly making this video because it does seem like second nature to me. It's pretty easy because I've been doing this for so long. It's now just over 7 years, so I feel like this is just my way of living. It's like I do it so quickly now I don't even think about it. So yeah. And then last but not least, I have a spaghetti strap. This could go for dresses that have spaghetti straps, tank tops that have spaghetti straps, anything that has like a thin strap. I just wanted to demonstrate so that I can get all types of articles of clothing demonstrated in this video. I don't really think there's anything else that I could possibly do in the video. I can't really think. Other than the bath towel, I'm still gonna do that, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna grab the strap, bite it, and then grab the hanger and feed it through. Preferably for clothes that have spaghetti straps or any kind of just straps without a sleeve, I like to have the hangers that have the little hook divots in the top so that they have somewhere to sit in, so that they're less likely to fall off the hanger when you have them hung up. So that's my tip for that. Like these type things. And it makes it easier for hanging because it just kind of sits there while you put the other strap on the other one. So just like that. There you go. Now I am gonna go grab a towel and I'll show you a couple ways to fold a towel. First, I'm gonna start with a cloth face towel. So obviously you just lay it out first. And then I'm just gonna grab one side and flip it over until it meets the other corners. Just like that. And then I honestly just fold it over the other way, just like that. Either that, or if you want to be a little fancy, you can roll it just like this. Boom. Okay, and then for a big towel, I like to make sure it's laid out flat on a surface. It doesn't have to be a counter. Honestly, if my floor is clean and I just like Swiffered it or something like that, I will do it on the ground. I don't have a problem with that as long as the ground is clean. I'm gonna grab the two corners on the short side and kind of throw it out to make it flat and laid out. Pretty good. Fix the little dents. So there's a couple ways you could go about this. I'm just gonna do the most basic way first. So what I'm gonna do is do the same thing that I did with the face cloth. I'm just gonna meet the short ends, like corners together. So maybe I'll do this so you can see. Just like that. Kind of. Yeah. And then pull it down and do the other end. Let me see if I can do, oh yeah, there we go. That's easier to see. I like to do things as perfect as I can, so I really try to make sure the whole line is kind of met together so that there's no awkward folds. Honestly, all I would do, if like for the simple fold, is fold this in half, like that, make sure they're all lined up, and then one more time, grab this end and meet it at the end. And I mean, you could fold it again, probably, but I feel like this lays nicer when it's bigger. Yeah, it kind of like looks like it wants to unfold if you do like this far, but I mean, you could. It looks fine, I guess, so. There is a different way to fold this, which I find to be kind of hard. I figured it out one time and now I can't remember for the life of me how I did it. I saw it on TikTok, I think, and I was like, that's genius. I'm going to fold all my towels like that, and everyone who comes to my house is gonna think I'm like some amazing towel folder. And then I forgot how to do it. So I did it one time, and so I had one towel that looked amazing, and then the rest looked like this. I mean, honestly, if you really wanted to have like a rolled towel, because I can't remember the fold that I learned before, you could just pinch in the one side, just like I did with that towel, the face towel. Just start rolling. It is hard to get it going because the towel will fight you. Honestly, this is fine. The way that I learned before was rolled like this, but it had like a little flap so that you could like pull it over the end so it looked like it was like wrapped all in together, and it was really nice, honestly, but this is just as good, I think. So, boom. Boom. Well, this pretty much concludes this video. I know it was very short and sweet, but that's kind of what I had in mind for this video. If you guys like this type of video and you want to see more like this, or you have requests for more things that you want to see me fold if I didn't show them already, I will link a video that I did, I think it was last summer actually, like not the summer that just passed, but like 2021 I think. But I did do a video of how I dress myself, and I think I showed some ways of dealing with clothes and how to hang some things, and I don't know, I forget what I did exactly in that video. So I'll link that right here. But then I also did another video of how I fold clothes. I did everything from t-shirts to long sleeves to shorts and pants and socks even. But yeah, I will link that here then. No. Oh, oh my God. Oh no. I just got pasta sauce all over. Why did I have a plate with pasta sauce in there? Where's the, oh great, okay, so the white one gets stained. Wonderful. My mom just taught me recently that hairspray helps lift stains out, so. And maybe I should make like a laundry video. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd want to see. But basically, after you put the hairspray on, you let it dry, it kind of like lifts it, so it's like easy to pick off. But then you just put stain remover on it, throw it in the wash, and it's good to go. The last thing I got a stain on, it worked for it, so. With that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on all my socials linked in the description down below. And I will see you next week for another new video. Okay, bye!